Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Langka ice cream right in your own kitchen. We'll start by preparing the star ingredient, fresh Langka fruit, ensuring it's perfect for our creamy dessert. Then, I'll guide you through creating a rich, smooth ice cream base using just a few simple ingredients. Finally, we'll cover the churning and freezing process so you can enjoy a homemade, tropical treat in no time. Get ready to create something truly special. First, let's prepare our wonderful Langka, also known as jackfruit. Choose a ripe fruit for the sweetest, most aromatic flavor. Carefully open it up and remove all the seeds and any stringy, fibrous parts. You'll want to chop the golden flesh into small, manageable pieces, roughly 1/4 to 1/2 inch in size. Aim for about 2 cups of prepared Langka. This amount will give your ice cream a fantastic, fruity punch without overpowering it. Now, let's create the luscious ice cream base. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of heavy cream with 1 cup of whole milk. Add 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar completely dissolves. Do not boil it. Once off the heat, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that lovely aromatic touch. Let it cool completely. Finally, it's time to churn and freeze our delightful creation. Ensure your ice cream base is thoroughly chilled, ideally for at least 4 hours or overnight. Pour the cold base into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for 20 to 25 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. During the last 5 minutes of churning, gently fold in your prepared Langka pieces. Transfer the mixture to a freezer-safe container and freeze for at least 4 hours, or until firm. Enjoy your homemade tropical treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.